driver installation and battery data reading. Double-click to open PC software. The serial port data is empty when the driver is not installed. Click on Help and then click on Driver Installation. Click to install. After the installation is completed, there will be a prompt. Close the driver installation window. Click Refresh, and at this point, the serial port number has been updated. The Energy Storage BMS adopts the UPS protocol. Other BMS select the conventional protocol. Click Start. At this point, the battery data has been successfully read. This section displays the individual voltage, temperature, and equalization functions. Here, the overall voltage, current, temperature, SOC, and other information are displayed. This section displays the number of times the battery has been protected in the past. Parameter setting, reading, and modification. Click to read the parameters. Write parameters. Any information that can be manually entered on this screen is editable. Enter the parameter information, then click Write Parameters to confirm successful entry. Export parameters. This feature exports the battery's current parameters to your local computer. Import parameters feature. Imports BMS parameter information from the local computer. To modify the parameters and functions in the grayed out sections, you must log in with an administrator account and password. To obtain your account and password, please contact our sales representative. Log in with your username and password. Click Account in the upper left corner, then click Login. Enter your administrator username and password. To obtain your username and password, please contact our sales representative. At this point, all parameters that were previously read-only are now editable. To modify and save the parameters, simply follow the steps outlined earlier in reading and modifying parameter settings. Introduction to the calibration function. The calibration function allows you to calibrate the voltage of a single string, the charge and discharge currents, and the temperature. This step is not required for standard protection boards. Calibration is only necessary when the voltage, current, or temperature readings are inaccurate. Voltage calibration. Enter the actual voltage measured by the multimeter here. Calibration voltage function allows calibration of the voltage in a single string. One-click voltage calibration feature allows for batch calibration of all voltages. Temperature calibration. Enter the actual measured temperature here. The temperature calibration function allows you to calibrate the temperature sampled by the temperature probe. One-click temperature calibration feature that allows you to calibrate all temperatures in bulk. Current calibration. Static calibration. This is a stationary process without charging or discharging. Enter O and click to calibrate. Used to calibrate the charging current. The unit is mAh. Enter the actual charging current. Please do not click this button when the device is not charging. Discharge current calibration. Used to calibrate the discharge current, measured in mAh. Enter the actual discharge current. Do not click this button when the device is not discharging. Do not need a positive or negative sign. Introduction to real-time monitoring. The real-time monitoring feature is used to export battery data. Click Export to export the most recent 1000 data entries. For more data, click Save Data. As long as the battery continues to communicate successfully with the protection board, the data will continue to be saved. Introduction to history, other features, and debugging tools. This page is used to read data from certain BMS products that have a history function. Use this page to retrieve the recorded data. Other features and debugging tools are manufacturer-provided testing tools. No adjustments are necessary. Web. JBD BMS. Contact Kara at jbd-bms.com.